Hi all. Here we are going to present you some beautiful soft silk sarees, borderless pattern. This is a wonderful collection, English color, a beautiful color with the silver jari, big motifs in it. You can see the motifs. It has got beautiful peacock motifs with the floral design in it. It's a very classic color, very elegant. It has got a very contrast, beautiful pink pallu, with the same big peacock and the floral motifs in the pallu. And it has got a plain, the same pink color blouse. I'll just show you the sari inside, how you'll find the motifs all over the sari. Here we go with our next sari. It's a very beautiful dark coffee brown with gold jari weave in it. It has got a very unique pattern of weaving. It is contrasted with a beautiful bottle green pallu. The pallu is also very unique, not of normal pattern. It's very elegant. You will look very classic. This is how the pattern will be. It has got beautiful big motifs. This is how the whole sari will be. Very uniquely weaved. These saris we will not find it in the showrooms. These are hand-picked from the weavers. Here we go with our next sari. It's a beautiful parrot green sari. It's a double shaded. You can see the sari color with a nice golden jari motifs in it. And it has got a beautiful English pink, pastel pink border. You can see the border has been, the pallu has been worked in a very grand pattern. It is accompanied with a plain blouse, pallu color blouse. And this is how the sari is. You can see the motifs running all over the sari. It's very closely weaved. Our next sari is a very pretty dark violet, the beautiful neem jari pattern weaved. This pattern of weaving is called neem weaving. It's with a heartin design. You'll find the heartin pattern. It's a very classic color. It is, the pallu is a pastel green. Same pallu color plain blouse. I'll show you the sari. This is how the sari is. It's very rich, very elegant. Here we go with our next sari. It's a very pretty bright yellow with a classic copper sulfate blue combination. Normally yellow is accompanied with a pink combination or green, but this is a very classic combination of yellow with copper sulfate blue. Just imagine you wear this copper sulfate blue blouse with this yellow sari. These sarees are 240 hoop jacquard weaves. It has got a very unique pattern of these motifs. You can see the flow of the saree. It looks very classic with this copper sulphate blue. It has got a plain copper sulphate blue blouse. It's very unique. Hard to find these color combinations. WhatsApp us to pick these collections. Here we go with our next saree. It's a very pretty English pink, pastel pink color with a silver motif in it. These are all very unique designs, unique patterns. You will not find it normally in the showrooms. It has got a nice bottle green pallu, the same pattern, and it is matched with a pallu color blouse, plain blouse. These are also borderless pattern. You will find the motifs throughout the saree. Silver jari motifs, very classic in nature. This is a very beautiful pastel green saree with a beautiful golden jari motifs. It looks very rich and very elegant. It's got small motifs throughout the saree. It's a beautiful floral pattern. It is accompanied with the bright blue combination. The pallu color is blue. It has got closely weaved floral motifs, and the blouse is also plain blue. I'll show you the saree. It's a very unique pattern of weaving. These are all like one color. Only this design you will get in this one saree. You can see the combination. It is very rich. It's a very pretty saree. Here we go with the last update today. This is a beautiful peacock blue saree. It has got a very unique jari motif throughout the saree. You will find this different pattern throughout the saree. It has got a classic pink pallu. It's a pastel pallu, and it has got the same pallu color blouse, plain blouse. The saree has got the same motif patterns throughout the saree. It's a borderless pattern. You can see the motifs. It's a very pretty color. You can reach us via WhatsApp for price and availability. Our WhatsApp numbers are 9600 76580. Thank you.